Globally, we're currently entering a period of calm, with many organizations getting ready for, hopefully, a final recovery. One lesson many of us learned from the pandemic is that it is less expensive to build for resiliency from the start, rather than coming back after a disaster to rebuild or repair. The pandemic served as a wake-up call to facility managers of the vital role of thoroughly planning to protect facilities from the next crisis. If we didn't know before, we certainly know now that the next world-changing disruption could be just around the corner. Achieving resilience is a long process. It can also bring about an uncomfortable feeling as FMs have to search for and identify critical weaknesses and blind spots lurking in their own planning and facilities. It also requires a great commitment of time, energy, money, and buy-in from all levels of the organization. If that seems a little daunting, my advice is to start on a smaller scale. Experiment and find out what works. Monitor and measure results so you can provide hard, actionable data and get stakeholders on board to then roll out better thought out plans on a larger scale. Lastly, find a large professional community of FMs, vendors, and partners with which to share your experience. Knowledge sharing from a wide range of different viewpoints is an invaluable part of the formulation of watertight resiliency plans.